Hello, welcome to our channel. Our video for today is the continuation of Balikatan 2023. This time, it's about the unmanned aerial vehicle, the MQ-9A Reaper. Before we start, subscribe to our channel and like our video. U.S. Marines with Marine Wing Support Squadron 174, 1st Marine Aircraft and Air Force Airmen with 163d Attack Wing, California Air National Guard refuel an MQ-9A Reaper and a CV-22 Osprey during Balikatan 23 at the Subic Bay International Airport, Philippines, April 7, 2023. The UAV Reaper is a remotely controlled drone that is primarily used for military operations. It was developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems and has been in service with the United States Air Force since 2007. The Reaper is larger and more advanced than its predecessor, the Predator drone, and can carry a variety of weapons and sensors. One of the most impressive capabilities of the Reaper is its endurance. It can stay in the air for up to 24 hours, which allows it to conduct long-duration surveillance and strike missions. The Reaper is also capable of flying at high altitudes, up to 50,000 feet, which makes it difficult to detect and intercept. In terms of weapons, the Reaper can carry a variety of missiles and bombs, including the Hellfire missile and the GBU-12 Paveway-2 bomb. These weapons allow the Reaper to engage targets on the ground with precision and accuracy. The Reaper is also equipped with a variety of sensors, including electro-optical/infrared cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and signals intelligence equipment. These sensors allow the Reaper to gather intelligence and track targets in real time. One of the biggest advantages of the Reaper is its versatility. It can be used for a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and strike operations. The Reaper can also be operated from remote locations, which reduces the risk to pilots and crew members. Another advantage of the Reaper is its cost-effectiveness. Compared to manned aircraft, the Reaper is significantly cheaper to operate and maintain. This makes it an asset for military operations, particularly in times of budget constraints. So, what do you think of the MQ-9A Reaper? Will it replace the manned aircraft, or it will coexist? Write your comment below. This ends our video. Subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.